All right, good morning, traders. Today is Monday, March 3rd, 2025. Welcome to the live stream. My name is Joseph. I'm with Smart Money Traders. That's the name of the channel where we try to do our best to trade along the smart money. This is for educational purposes only. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell any foreign exchange or futures contract. Just know that trading is risky and you got to have the right capitalization and knowledge to trade this market. And even then, there's no guarantee you'll make any money. So, with that said, we're going to dive in right away in seeing what the market looks like. Again, today's March 3rd. If you're watching live, you can see this is This is a live time right now. I'm on the East Coast. So looking at this market here, we're looking at ES primarily and NQ on this channel, but on this stream. But also we look at other things. I look at gold and even live cattle. I know that's not very sexy, but I do look at that when the equities are a little crazy. So cattle is a very, very slow and methodical market. So with that said, let's look at ES, what they did. They gap up at the open, which is, it wasn't too much of a gap up. I'm going to look here. That's probably 10 points or 10 or 15 points. Let's see. That's about less than 10 points, about 9 points and change. So 37 ticks about. And they went down and closed the gap. And since that time, they test the gap twice. Once they close it, then they test it again. So, really, this area is an area of support. Clearly, now we're pushing higher. And when I looked at the big companies on the stock, on the S&P 500, they were all kind of up pre-market. So we can see we can have definitely a bullish open here. It's a matter of, okay, will it continue or will it not? I think for me, we're looking at coming to resistance about 6,010. I think we may get up there and turn around like we did on this was Thursday, I believe. Yeah, this was Thursday. Friday was a nice bullish day toward the later part of the trading day, but all we did is kind of went back and forth for a good portion of the trading day. So 60-10 could be a resistance up there. That's also obviously 6,000 itself, the figure, the round number, could definitely be get turned around there like it did here, because here we got a high of, what's the high on this? 6,050 exactly, to the couple ticks above the round number. So we're definitely looking to see this market might be bullish today. We have, when I look at the Magnificent Seven, we were pretty much up toward pre-market. So let's look at NQ. NQ probably same scenario here. We gap up last night when we opened at 6 p.m. Came back twice to that gap. They filled the gap here, and they came back here again during the European session. So we're moving higher. So I definitely want to be careful in this area, because here it tested at 21,000 and basically, wow, exactly 21,101. So 21,100. This was resistance right here, so we may get a little bit of resistance there again. So let me just put a little bit of a zone right here, so we know what we're dealing with. So NQ bullish at the moment, but I'd definitely say be careful. So we don't trade until the market opens, maybe at least 5 minutes after. So We're not going to be taking any position at the moment, especially on a Monday. Monday, I like to equate it as a airplane taking off and trying to find its bearing. And that's what we're going to probably see this morning early. And we got tariffs that's supposed to be taking into effect tomorrow, I believe. So March 4th. So we'll see what we'll see what happens here. So, and then as I was talking earlier about the Magnificent Seven, let me bring this over here. Nvidia's up. It was up when I was looking at it earlier. It's down here. We have Microsoft, I believe, was up pre-market. That's pre-market down here. Meta, that's another big company we gotta keep an eye on. It's up quite, actually not too bad, more than 0.5%. And we have Google. Goes up almost 1%. And I believe we have Amazon and Apple. Apple is up as well. Oh, Apple is kind of unchanged, but Amazon is up. So with that said, here we're looking for a bullish open, but definitely at the open we may see some. We may definitely see some people get shaken out here because we are approaching that resistance level on the NQ. That's something we got to keep in mind. So I'm gonna bring it back to ES here. It's a 30-minute chart. So that's a chart I use for my overall trend for the day. I keep in mind the daily chart as well, but overall trend for the day, usually I look at the 30 minutes for like a long term. Now on the 5-minute chart, I'm looking at it on my other screen here. It would look like the structure is starting to get bullish too. So that's another reason that we may look at this market going higher this morning here. So with that said, we're going to be looking to should this market, whatever it presents itself. I think primarily bullish might be the way to go. But at the same time, we have fundamentally everything, the uncertainty about tariffs and all those things could push this market down. So we're going to be just be cautious as we usually are, as we should always be. We're definitely above the VWAP. VWAP for this is down here at 59.76. So if we're above the VWAP, and once again, that's another reason we may be looking for some up move, like a bullish move. But at the same time, that doesn't mean we cannot go any low. We cannot get lower. So definitely neutral at the moment. I'm looking at the middle top, which is my Raptor system. I mean, I've been using the system for over 10 years. Can give you some reliable signal, but again, market, it's all about knowing how to read the flow of the market. You know, the European session here, if you trade trading is all about timing. So here you probably lose money if you're trying to trade this. But when you had that first nice bullish signal and pull back here, you make some money. You know, that was a nice little smooth trend when it's trending. But again, here there was some bearish signal here that you could take advantage of. Right now, we're kind of ranging. So with that said, we're going to be looking at so the Geiger counter, which is this, that gives you a little bit of an idea how the battle between sellers and buyers is going. Like right now, the buyers are being more aggressive. We have more buying pressure than selling pressure. So in green like this, you know, definitely wouldn't want to be trying to short it. The Geiger counter, the way I use it, it's more like what not to do than what to do. Because right now we know, hey, I'm not gonna short this market at the moment. That's what the Geiger counter is saying. Hey, now if you see a bullish setup and you got that green to support it, hey, more apt to take a long trade here than a short trade. So with that said, we're gonna be it's 9:24. So let me know in the chat what you're planning on trading today, and what is your strategy for the day? What's your plan for the day, and how you're looking at this market? So please let me know in the chat, and thank you again for being here. Thank you for your support, because I'm doing this channel really as a way for me to just build a community of traders. Trading can be a very lonely endeavor. So I feel like we're trading together. We're looking at the market together. Not that we're giving anybody recommendation, but at least we can voice what we're seeing in this market just with this live stream. Again, the down move here could be possible because overnight we were bullish. So typically, if we're bullish overnight, they might have to adjust the inventory to go higher. So seeing a down move right now is definitely something we can see, even expect. So let's see how it goes. Middle of my bottom chart in the middle is the NQ. This is the Unarenko. This is the right line trading system. Again, trading systems are good to give you a framework, but I use the market, the price action and order flow to decide which way I want to trade on a particular time. So like right now we're seeing some I think I just need to be just reload this. Just reload this because I'm like, yeah, this is supposed to be all right. So on the pink background, we're trying to take a short. On the green background, we're trying to take a long. But it doesn't always work like that. Gray background right now, that means it's like a stalemate between buyers and sellers. But sometimes we'll take a short on a gray background or a long on a gray background based on what the other flow is doing. So this is kind of, those backgrounds sometimes can be a little lagging. So again, right now we're looking to this market looking like to go down. It's looking to go down here. It's 9:27. Got 3 minutes to the open, about 3 minutes, a little more than 2 minutes. So we should expect a couple of minutes. We're gonna have some fireworks at the open here. So that's why we stay away from the open per se. We don't trade until probably at least in 9:35. That's when we try to take our first position. If there's an opportunity, we don't just say it's 9:35. We have to trade. We don't have to. So again, this market going down here was something that almost to be expected because overnight we were high. Women will go higher overnight. Now people are trying to get out of those long positions, and the way they do that, they sell. They gotta sell them. They got cover the position by going short, by selling to get out of the longs. All right. Right now, So another thing on Mondays, I usually trade less, not only less. Um, I mean, I'm trying to get in less, not as many of the position that I would be on a regular day, but also less size because Monday is really not the market. You're just trying to find its footing, trying to decide which way he wants to go for the week. And even though sometimes Monday could be a fake out day, be bullish. They want to go bearish for the month, no, for the week. But on Monday could be a bullish day. So. That's it. Here we got about less than a minute. Less than a minute. We're gonna have 15 seconds here. We have this market open. There you go. We are open. We're officially open here. Okay. Looks like we got some selling coming in here. Let's see how it goes. Definitely the NQ is selling off. First 5 minutes on the market, we're just gonna wait. Just gonna watch and see how it's going here. Nothing. Once again, right now, this market looks like it wants to go down, but looking at the market internals here at 9:30 here, we're starting mainly bearish here, but could this be just that little shake? Get some people short here. What's the low on this candle? Low is 80.25. This one was 80.50. They're trying to test those lows here. They get some buyers, and now they're going higher. Okay, so I think the premise we started with was that this market looked bullish, but to adjust overnight inventory, they may be going down here. So that's what they did, and now they're going higher. And it's still too early for us to engage in this market. We would need to see a pullback. We're right at a resistance level right now on the ES, about to hit it. So let's see how it behaves. Well, it's a nice push to the upside here. All right, so all right, I'm gonna pull back here to the downside. Let's see if we can. That phone looks to go higher here. Let's see, 43. The Geiger counter in the middle, the top middle here is neutral, kind of even going toward the positive. So I know we right at the resistance. It's probably not the best place to be buying here. Maybe come back down to this support at 87, 88. But yeah, come back to the support level here at 87, between 87 and 88. I'd feel more comfortable with a bounce to the upside here to buy. Okay, got some selling definitely here. Let's see if we can bounce in the support. The seller selling for good here. Yeah, sellers definitely looks to be strong at the moment. Don't want to step in front of them here. Yeah. Again, today we'll be a little more patient than usual because it's Monday. We're just gonna wait and see here. A pullback that doesn't take this low would be nice. Looks like that's a truly shallow one right here. This is shallow. Okay, I'd like this pullback better. At the moment, trend is down. So I don't know if I want to be. Yeah, we're going down here. So that's why I gotta wait. I wanted to buy up there. I wanted to buy, but I feel like, okay, this was a too shallow of a pullback. Now we clearly see here this market here, we should be selling it. Now anything here, we're gonna be looking to the upside. Will be a pullback to sell it. If we get that, if we get a decent pullback, we may not even get it because this market looks like it wants to plunge to the downside right now. So, well, in 86 would be a good place to go back and pull back to this band, this resistance level, which was support at one point. Now it's going to become resistance. So if we get that, now we're right at a VWAP too. So that's another thing. Top right here, we're right at a VWAP. So that could be a bounce point they used to go to the upside here. But it doesn't look like, no, they're trying to keep selling this here. Yeah. All right. Like to see a pullback to the upside here and give us an opportunity. 81.75 could be resistance. Let's see if we can get there at least and turn around to short it. And when we look at NQ here, NQ is right at the VWAP. That could serve as a resistance. So this one of these we might trade NQ as well. Depends on what things are going here. Okay, we're getting higher and oops. At this point, it's kind of too close to this pivot. Give me something higher here. Yeah, go higher a little bit. Right now it's, there you go. I think maybe here. Oh, it's ranging at the moment, so. It's ranging. It's ranging like this. It's right at the pivot. Yeah. Got some seller trap down there, but we're still bearish here at the moment. I think we're gonna put this entry here to go short. We get back to below that VWAP here. There you go. Again, we're gonna be trying to scalp today. Nothing too. It's only, we were seeing 4 points here. Now, where's the next really support area? We have this set up at 6 ticks. We're gonna go to break even. Yeah, let's see if we can get to the first target, to the target here. All right, target fail. So we got to the target. So again, we should expect some back and forth here. What I'd like to see happen is it's a break. You know, we're gonna consider this now was support. This little area here, the break. If they come back to it and give us a pullback, you know. Okay, let's go to it. What like it to go a little higher here to give us a U-turn to go, but they're not gonna do that. We want the pullback here. Based on the Geiger counter, we may get the pullback. Yeah, we may get that pullback. And a little higher here. That'd be nice if we could do that. Okay. I wonder if they will go back and test this VWAP again. Yeah, I'd like to see a pullback, preferably, but if we may not get it, it's ranging again. Again, we got one trade so far in, one short that we enter here, and we covered here. So again, we're trying to sell this market, but it's just, yeah, it's too late now. Because it was ranging here. I wanted it to go a little higher so I can short it, but it's not happening. Let's see. Now, can we go back to this range here about 75? Get to 75, 74, 75 would be best, but there you go. Go back higher here. Well, let me get to my NDT so I can quickly place an order here. Yeah, go back to there. You can see the Geiger counter is kind of pointing to the upside at the moment. So we're waiting to see if we may even get to 78, which is where the VWAP is. So that band now is supposed to be resistance, which we had this right here as resistance. So let's see how we deal with that here. So we're gonna have an order to go short here. If we turn around, if we have a negative bar, we're gonna get taken in. Oh, VWAP really should be a stop. Let's see if we can tag this big come back down here. Well, looks like we'll be taken out here. Yeah, it keeps going. Definitely should have waited for the VWAP. Now, if we got taken out here at VWAP, we're gonna so 1 for 1 here. Yeah. We were waiting to hit the VWAP. What's the better? Let's see if that's gonna be. If we're gonna keep going higher here. Okay, we got canceled because see if we can get fill here or above here. Again, 6 ticks, we're gonna be moving to break even. I'm probably gonna pull it back a little bit. Yeah, this is a little volatile, so I'm gonna give it a little more room here. See if we can come back down here and make up more than make up for the loss. Now, below this band here, we're gonna go to break even. Yeah, we should be at break even now. If it comes back and get us break even, that's fine. All right. Yeah, I just was a little premature in my entry earlier. Let's see if we can come back down and hit that swing here. We're at break even here. Let's see. A new low, we're gonna move above this swing. There you go. Oh, sorry, I can't even move my stop. All right, we got taken out. Definitely more than make up for that loss. Definitely positive for the day at the moment. So we got 3 trades in. We got 2 winners and 1 loser. Again, the loser, when you look in hindsight, that's why we cannot trade this market in hindsight. But in the reason why I got in this trade, we had to turn around here at the resistance. Then it kept going. Then we got to the VWAP. We got to turn around. We went short again, and we cover right here at we cover right over here at this pivot. So it looks like we want to go lower again. So I like it to. I like to see that double pullback. This is a short pullback. I would like to see another one toward this and go lower now. So I'm not going to get engaged yet. So let's see if we can get another push, another attempt to go higher here. If we get another attempt to go higher here, we'll try to sell it. This is resistance at the moment. This was support. Now it's going to become resistance. So let's see how the market react to this here. Let's see if we can get that. If we get that and go to the other side, yeah, this is considered a double pullback here. Even though we're kind of ranging here, I don't like this much, but yeah, so there's selling going on here. Yeah, it's gonna range a little bit more here. I think trying to go back up. Okay, getting back to that resistance. Let's see if we can sell it from here. I don't know. Let's see if we can go back down here below this. Okay, we got canceled because. Oh, there you go. See. All right. Oh, what just happened? I didn't get fill. I submitted it. I didn't get fill because it was right at it. Right now it'd be up. Be up about 3 points. See, this is NDT right here. I didn't get fill there. That's okay. Because I wanted to just stop limit. Be at least at break even at this point. So we may get another chance here if he comes back to this band at 67 here. We may get another chance. Yeah, there you go. I think we're getting another chance here. Let's see. Again, we're gonna see, can we get to that next level? Okay, we're at break even. We're gonna keep it at break even. Okay, we got tagged out at break even here. It looks like we were about to break this pivot. Let's see. Because we got this was a bar. This is a little pullback within the bar. So okay, we got cancel here. All right. kind of getting, we're getting close to a support. So 58 supposed to be support here. Let's wait for a pullback higher. All right, so we're getting back to that zone again. So we may try to sell it here if it gives us a reason to do so. We're gonna have a order to go short here. Looks like sellers are trying to get back in here. Let's see. All right, we are ready. Let's see if we can get back to this support here at 58 and a quarter. Okay, got stopped out at break even here. All right, I think this area here, we're going to try to avoid it. It looks like there's a lot of back and forth here. So we got tagged that to the tick. Now it's going our way. But at the same time, we are up for the day. So a little more aggressive moving or stop. A couple of break even trades here. The last two trades. This one was a great one because it went well all the way up. Now this is going way lower. Definitely would have hit our target here. Target would have been 6 points, 6.5 points. So we're gonna get that again. I said 58 was gonna be a support, so we bouncing right off 58. That's a big candle on the 30-minute here. It's 9:55. It's getting close to the top of the hour, so I usually don't like to trade close to 10 o'clock because we may see some kind of reversal here. It's tapping that same zone from last night where it bounced up. From here, it bounced 30-some points, so we may go lower here, but definitely don't want to be selling at support here. Well, we're going lower. It's too bad we got stopped out break even here. Definitely was a good 6 points we missed on here. Well, let's see. Yeah, I'm going lower here. Lower is the way to go. Now it's a matter of break this zone. I wonder if we can go higher here. I'd like it to come higher to 57. But it doesn't look like that's what it wants to do. Definitely hitting a support here. So may break it, but going to the next zone. All right, now this is the pullback. I think we can. Let's see if we can get short here from this pullback. Maybe it's gonna go higher and cancel the order. That's fine. I think that's deep enough for for a short here. Definitely market internals are all. Yeah, we did say we're gonna try to see if we can get back to 57 and 56 and a half. I think that's close enough. Okay, got canceled here. Let's see if we can come back down here. Yeah, that's again. If we get, there we go. We are break even. Once again, we got stopped out. Break even. Yeah, I have my fast ATM 6 for break even. So kind of really aggressive to move my stop. We got 3 break even trades in a row, which sometimes, if you're not careful, that can definitely set some frustration, especially after you see all 3 of them would have gone for nice wins. Actually, this one maybe not. This one, my stop was up here, so this one would have been a full stop. But the last 2, as you can see here, let me move this a little bigger. The last 2 break-even trades, like this one here, we went short at 64 3/4. Definitely nice move here. We went short at 54 3/4. Same thing happened, came back and tagged us to the tick. So that just told me I was trailing too close, but at the moment, you don't want to be. I think I'm gonna take a few minutes here to catch my breath, and don't want to be trading out of frustration because you missed out on some trades. So let me see if there's any news at 10 o'clock. I don't know if there was any news at 10 o'clock. Well, usually I check before I start trading, but today I didn't. Yeah, that blue line definitely was going to be, this area was going to be support. So now we're seeing that. We're seeing that bounce higher here. Could this be a reversal, complete reversal? We don't know yet. Yeah, we're getting some signals to go long here. Yeah, there was some news at 10 o'clock. ISM manufacturing. I still use Forex Factory as my economic calendar because I used to trade Forex quite a bit. I still do, but not as much. Yeah, there was something at 10 o'clock here. It's a little less than expected. Manufacturing prices, I guess that's higher, meaning that's probably not a good thing. So I think we're still bearish in this market here, even though it's looking like it wants to go higher. Let me reload so I can get my Geiger counter back. Geiger counter. Yeah, it definitely looks like we're going back and forth here between the two, between buyers and sellers. Looks like they're going higher at the moment. So with that said, we're gonna be careful here. We may seeing a full reversal here. Not really, honestly, I'm still bearish on that. So look at this trend line here that got broken to the downside. Now, if we can come back, give me a pullback, and that's gonna go straight down, we may short it again. Let's see. All right, there you go. This market is very, very volatile at the moment. So that's why I'm kind of taking my time to get engaged here. See, it's jumping. This thing jumping 3 points. Boom. On the ES. And when you see that happening, this is not normal behavior. I think they're still digesting the news. So, still have a bearish tone to this market, but at the same time here we're seeing some buying happening here. Looks like the bulls are taking over here. Let's wait and see. But maybe the bears are saying not so fast. Yeah, going higher here. We had a pivot, so is it gonna break it? No. Let's get this on a bigger screen here. Looks like this market has changed to the bullish side here at the moment. I think would like to see a deeper pullback test 45 here. The test 45 and go higher. We may try to go long, but looking at my other flow on my other screen here, yeah, the bulls are really trying to take over this market here. We hit this pivot again, and if we break this to the upside, we should see some I think before they go higher here, they may use this pullback to sell it off here. And let's see. Oh, this is the real selling, I think, at the moment here too. There you go. Let's say 45 here. Well, did not take advantage of this pullback. That's okay. Yeah. Because I did say if it comes back to 45, we may try to buy it as a bounce, but I didn't. I wasn't confident enough in that. So obviously right now the bulls are trying to take control of this market. Now, this is resistance 58. So let's see if we can get a pullback here and then go long. Thing. Let's see. Okay, we got cancel here. Let's see. Will it be low here? I mean, technically, my stop's supposed to be below 45 here, 44. Oh, well. Might get taken out here. Yeah, we might get taken out here. If that's the case, we'll be basically almost at break, a little bit more than break even, but for the day, yeah, got taken out. That was not good. That was not good. Huh. The reason why it wasn't good. Not so much it was the losers because this was a fairly heavy resistance here. We got that line plus the band, and we kind of got played here with the trying to buy it. Maybe the first pullback here, the first bounce here was the one, not the second one. Or go with the median wrinkle. Again, on the losing trade, we're always gonna have to find reason here how we could do better. But I still think this week here we could go higher. So let's see if we can. If we go higher here, we want to be long. No, okay. So oh my goodness, I submitted the order and the order didn't get. Every time I submit the order to go long here and I didn't get filled because it was right at the price. My goodness, 42. Yeah, now it's becoming. Well, I go along without me because I wanted to go along at 42 and a quarter here, 42.50. All right, let's see if we can get down a pull back here. Maybe not. Getting my long over here was a little premature, I guess. Well, now they're going higher. This is not ideal right now. Definitely not going to be chasing this out of frustration, out of FOMO. We're not going to do that. But yeah, that's kind of frustrating here. That we not only we lost this, but we couldn't get back in long here at 140, 43, 42. Because by the time I click my button to place the order to go long, it was already past that price. So now would like to see a double pullback coming back to 45 here. And then we'll try to go long. Yeah, going higher. Again, should expect some kind of selling coming in here. If that comes in, and we'll be ready to go long again here. There you go. Put an order here in case it decides to go higher. So we can participate in this long this time. Okay, got cancel. Okay, we're not gonna go long until we get a positive bar here. So let's see. Trend is alright. stop will be below 44 if we were to get okay. Keep canceling the orders because hey. What? Stop is right here. Can we get back up to that high? Now stop out here. We're gonna be definitely closing the stream, meaning we're not looking at this market objectively anymore. Okay, all right. That's when you know, hey, I should stop here because my timing is off. I'm trading out of not revenge. I think I'm still in control of myself at the moment, but it's just not showing me. Got two losses here that one of them was poorly timed, and this one here looks like hey, we're still in a downtrend. I'm trying to buy. So with that said, I think I'm gonna end the stream. We're slightly negative here. Let me see. Yeah, down a couple $100. That's very slight. It's definitely even before this trade, I was kind of almost a little less than just a little negative, but now it's down 270. So with that said, I'm gonna end the stream, and hopefully tomorrow we'll do better. Good, started this stream pretty well. I think more than I realized, those two stops out kind of got to me a little bit. Like right here when I went short, and this thing went and tagged me at break even, and the other one was over here when I went short here, and I went short. I went short here at 664.75. Tagged me at break even and came back we went all the way down. So unfortunate day. But you know what I'm learning today is the fact that hey, can't let those things affect you. Again, even after trading for many years, you're still gonna have emotions, and sometimes you just gotta. Emotion cannot get the best out of you. Hey, waiting for a deeper pullback in that zone here and buy would have been ideal, but I bought here because we had on the Uni Renko we had a positive bar. The median Renko we didn't have that yet. But if I waited just here and put my stuff below here, would definitely make some money here. Same thing, bought back here based on the Uni Renko, but it was already under the cloud here, which was signaling at the moment at the time. Yeah, we could go lower, but tag us out to the tick, bounce up for a little bit, and then would have eventually take us out. But like we see right now, those zones here, they're playing those zones back and forth. So with that, I'm gonna definitely stop the stream and stop trading. And good luck. Hopefully you do better than I did today. So with that said, lesson learned. I'm gonna journal about it and do better tomorrow. Good luck and God bless. Take care. Bye bye.